while, what we have done is we just created some UI on this where we are actually showing the minting rate of, we are also showing, so we also have a filter here that lasts 365 days, or you can also filter that with date. Then you have total tokens and circulations, like as per the section, like the budget or to 2012 budget and whatnot. And then we also have the token issue list by project type. So you can also review and analyze the tokens as per the project, which is the development, marketing, and any other project section. Then you also have like token minting versus token retirement, like how many tokens are minted, how many tokens are retired, as per the date, you can also update the graph when you want to. Then we also have a graph where, a bar graph where you will show like what are the emails, or what are the ads and whatnot, like as per the search engine, because Guardian is also a search engine. Then we also have a graph where we will show like a whole minting or the policies and whatnot. Yes, Androy.
Yeah, thanks, Trina. I just to maybe add some additional clarifications, what we are looking for and what's presented here. These are just like, think of this as types of displays. We've suggested, as Prina just described it to you, we suggested some potential useful metrics that can be displayed on such charts. But there are probably other metrics that at the moment we don't know, but you probably do, the community, that might be useful. We for example, there's total tokens issued, total tokens in circulation type of chart that we're talking about on the right hand side at the top here, for example. But it could be many other things. It could be, let's say, total number of documents split by, at the moment we're thinking about split by standard registry, but it could be different metric that it's grouped by, and so on. So what I'm hoping to do is to be able to let the users the ability to select the metrics that they want, the dimensions basically of every chart. For example, for this chart, you'd have possible dimensions, tokens on, so the one axis you'd have tokens, number of documents, maybe number of users, and something like that. On another dimension, you can get grouping dimension, which would be by standard registries, by project type, by something else. Yeah, so that's what we're looking for. We're looking for those metrics that are relevant for the practitioners in this industry, not for the technical specialists like Guardian development team, for example. So if you've got an opinion on this, please share either publicly or in private, or maybe if you've got some examples of analytics that's been performed by some other entity and published in some report that you've read a year ago, so you think it was really good analytics, please share with us. Just let's build up this functionality as relevant as possible to you, the community, to the practitioners and promoters and others of Guardian and the Guardian ecosystem. Yeah.
Awesome.
This is an example of those metrics, or an example of the UI, just to visualize it, how it might work. That you're composing your dashboard, say, and you select this type of widget, this type of widget, this type of widget, this type of widget, and I want on this widget this metric, that metric, and then on the right hand side, just move a little bit to the right, just there. You select what you want to be displayed on that chart. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Andre. So as Andre mentioned, that this is just widgets that you can manage by checking or unchecking it, and then once you apply, you will all see the changes over here. So this manage widgets will just open up this pop-up, and then you can do it. Then this is analytics on the topics. Again, please let us know, or give us some ideas, and let us know what analytics you would like to see on the topics as well. It's just this an example. We are just trying to first work out on the UI front so that once the requirement on this particular ticket is finalized, then we will start the development of this. But this would be again in the next coming future roadmap, not in July, but we are working ahead of on planning on the UI side. This Figma file is already shared it with you guys. Please have a look and please let us know what you guys want to look and want it from a Guardian perspective on the analytics front. So this is it. Like we also have the overview instead of the summary of the analytics. We'll have an overview similar to Indexer, what we have currently, and then you can list out what is a parent topic ID, what is the child topic ID, what are the tags, what are the types of this topic, and then what are the total messages and whatnot. So this is an overview, a tabular view, but this is more of the analytics view, the graphical view.